All right, I got a weird one for you today. Back here in beautiful Wyoming, out at my shop, and got back. It's been about a month I've been gone. I got back and I noticed that my driveway is covered in grass. I literally built the opposite of a driveway. But I did this area from about here on with pea gravel. So this stuff I figured was better than nothing for giving a little more stability to this ground. So some quick context before I get into it. So I picked this lawnmower up for free, and the person just said it doesn't run. All right, so see if this thing even has gas. Bone dry. Is that a huge tank or what? Or is it leaking? Oh, no, not leaking. Okay. Wow. These wheels are weird. It's got oil in it. We can test it out. The oil is really dirty. All right, let's try to start this thing. Oh, is it a key? It's a little dirty, but so the fact that it's starting up when I'm using starter fluid is telling me that it does. The motor seems to be working. The actual engine, the carburetor, something's wrong. It's not getting fuel. Or something's going on with the carburetor. It's clearly a fuel issue. Got fresh fuel in it. It was completely empty before. So let's take the carburetor out and clean it. People throw these things away all the time because they think they don't run anymore, and they don't. They're absolutely correct. However, they call it quits way too early. It's usually just this carburetor. Neither one of those bolts seem tight. I got it rigged up there. Carburetor's off. Let's go check this out. Looks really dirty. But all I'm gonna do is take this bowl off and throw this thing in the ultrasonic cleaner. Do 30 minutes is what I usually do. That's enough. All right. See how clean that gets that? No scrubbing, nothing. So we're gonna blow these out, blow the jets out in this carburetor here, blow everything out, get it nice and clean. So I went ahead and blew this air filter out a little. Probably needs a new one, but yeah, just get that back on there, and then let's go install this and just see if it works. And there's nothing in the, whatever, it says 3 primes, but okay, so I was taking the carburetor off again to investigate, and I broke this little piece. So now the linkage to control the throttle cannot attach to the carburetor. So that means find a new one of these parts or buy a new carburetor, which is probably relatively cheap. but might be worth doing anyway because I cleaned this carburetor out and it still wasn't working. I'm not sure why. Oh, leaking fuel there. Quick little nature break for you. All right, back to it. It's the actual carburetor, gasket. Looks like it's a pretty good match. So here's our O-ring. Looks fine, but came with a new one, so let's put that on. So you can hook up your gas line without doing that. Okay, next we're going to take this, make sure that gasket's on there. It's brand new. Make sure that goes into there, like so. Yep, same threads. All right, oh, whatever. We got a new air filter. We got a brand new carburetor. We got a new spark plug and some hope. We got new gasoline. Let's give this thing a start. Okay, so this part of the video is going to be voiced over because it was very windy that day, as you can see from the grass. Just want to give you my quick thoughts. So the lawnmower was great, ran really well. It's definitely underpowered for 12-inch tall grass, and I didn't sharpen the blade. So considering all that, it's, you know, I was very pleased. But here's buddy, completely obsessed with balls. As long as they're made of tennis ball, they don't actually have to be ball shaped. Anyway, yeah, so probably go back out on a less windy day and spray all that grass and kill it. So alrighty, well, let's continue the video. So here's my little driveway. That's all native grass there, and then boom, got her mowed down a little bit. You know, I recommend everybody get out there and try something like this. You know, this lawnmower was free. Put 20 bucks into it. Sometimes you don't have to put any money into it, really. And I could probably sell it for, you know, 50 to 100 bucks, no problem. So it's just it's fun. It's fun and it's good. I feel like it's good for a person. So and the dogs enjoy hanging out when you sitting there working on a machine. So, and a extra little note, I want to say thank you to all of you viewers that got one of my videos to 1.3 thousand views. That video got me 2 new subscribers, so that's not a very good likability ranking. Anywho, see y'all later.